So I'm currently working on all the recording and editing and everything for the Module 2 section, and it's getting near to the end of it, so I can get on with Module 3 hopefully next week. But there's one video that I found a little blurry and I want to re-record it this morning because the light's good today. We had several wet, rainy, grey days, so finally we've got a lovely sunny morning, but of course now my neighbour's mowing. So hopefully they won't take too long so I can get back on with recording. So I'm all ready to go, but they're still mowing, so we're just gonna have to wait till they stop, because every time they stop for a few minutes think, yeah, let's get going, it starts up again. Sorry for all the background noise, it's my boys being noisy, but I just wanted to show you quickly something I'm working on for one of the videos. I'm going to be going through and showing how to do a brainstorming activity. So I've just been working on my own, which is just really a simplified version of what everyone else would be doing. So I've got some mind maps here, and then I'm going to show you how you go through these mind maps, find the key ideas to create one big overall mind map. So today I'm back in InDesign making some more workbooks and lesson notes. This week I've been feeling a little bit burnt out from everything. The week before I had my son's birthday and trying to prepare things for the new term and everything, and I felt like I had to sort of put the course making on hold for about half a week, and everything else I had to do just sort of really drained me, so it's hard to get that momentum back up. I feel like I'm starting to get back into it though. Doing a little bit of video at the end of this week has helped get back into it, and yeah, just trying to revamp that energy and keep going and get it done. But we've got the whole of the first 2 modules are now completely done and up in Teachable. So I'm now on to the 3rd module, which is all about colour. So it'll be the colour module, the type module, and then the final bring it all together module. So we're getting there. So is mowing at 9 AM on a weekday a thing? Because Friday, perfect light around 9 AM for recording, right? 9 AM on Friday, next door was mowing. Now, I didn't hear many people mowing over the weekend, but it's Monday, 9 AM. I want to record, the sun's great. Somebody is mowing. Just working on some new profile photos right now, so I'll show you a quick behind the scenes of taking my own profile shots. So just recording some screen share slides and audio, but guess what? Someone's mowing again. Starting to... It's almost like people mow on purpose when I want to record. What is going on? So because nothing ever runs completely smoothly, this week I was hit with gastro. My oldest son got it, and one day later I was fine, thought I'd got away with not getting it too, but then suddenly it hit me, and so far it's been 4 days and I'm still not completely better. So There's been a few days where I've just needed heaps of rest lying down, so I haven't been able to make as much progress as I'd like this week. I really wanted to get a lot more done. I've completely finished the first 3 modules, and the next 2 are a lot shorter, so they shouldn't take as long, and I've already recorded the talking head part of these ones, so it's mostly about doing slideshows and then editing. I've also already done the lesson note PDFs, so I just need to do the workbook side of it, so really it shouldn't take too much longer. I'm sort of hoping that within the next 1 to 2 weeks I can completely finish the course, and then I can start moving on to the bonus material and the promotional material. But just wanted to say there's always hiccups. So right now I'm taking some video. So I've got lots of images I've got to work with. I've started to create an example of what you can create. Also using colour swatches and a little bit of trace paper to also put the keywords on and just add some extra layer and dimension. I also had this I thought about adding in as well for a little bit more texture. So just getting that video recorded, and then that's the last video recorded, and it's just a matter of editing. So guess what? I finished creating the course. So I still have to create bonuses and work on the promotional material, but the core course is finished. I finished it all off last night, around like 11:30 last night, but I just wanted to keep going and get it done. So it's a great feeling that that's done, and now I can work on the next stage of things.